Good morning, teacher. My name is Jennifer. Age, I am 20 years old. Occupation, I am a student. Married status, I'm single. Birthplace, I was born in the city of Bogotá, Cundinamarca. Family, my family is made of 6 people, 2 women and 4 men. Personally, I am happy person. Likes and dislike. Likes. I like to smile and mouth, sing and be helpful. Dislike. It dislike me to their likes to hit animals to be inhuman. Daily routine. I get up at the morning, I shower, breakfast, study until noon, then in the afternoon I listen to music and visit my family. Thank you, bye.